Grand Rising Kings, Queens, Gods, and Goddesses, multi-exclusive dimensional being Kai with another exclusive. Today's video is going to be about numerology number 444. But let's get into the aspects of 4. Now, 4 is basically representing fourth person, fourth dimension, fourth being, fourth circumstances. Now, seeing when you're dealing with the third dimension, you're going to be dealing with the fourth dimension on the highest spectrum. So this is basically you getting your life organized, being practical, being capable, being diligent, and also succeeding and pushing through, even if it's obstacles in the scenarios. Now, this is a person, are you capable? Are you willing to basically manifest? Or this can be a situation where you was put in this previous scenario. What happened is you need to figure out how to get your ass out that shit. Now look at it like this. Now 4 is basically expanding, growth. You know what I'm saying? Moving above. Now you want to use this number wisely. You don't want to use this number when you're in a negative frequency vibration or when you're feeling negative. This is not the time to use this number. The time to use this number is when you're riding the highest frequency wave, where these numbers will start to reappear. And of course, when you get hooked on to these numbers, you're supposed to utilize these numbers for your own benefit, not what Google, YouTube, or someone else told you. 4 is basically represent your highest idea, your highest nature, your highest evolvement, your highest nature, your highest construct. That means you're moving up. You're going in the elevator. You're flying up. You know what I'm saying? You're not coming back down. You already finished everything down here. You planted your seeds down here. Now your shit is growing. So basically, you're flowing up. So now when we get back into this aspect, understand and understand that it's very highly important to make sure, even if you're busy, program this time to utilize it for your own benefit, your own profit, your own usage, your own dismissal. When these things start to reoccur, you will understand and understand what frequency, what vibrations to basically be riding. Now, when we're talking about 4, this is we're in Aquarius season, so that 4 is going to be in the hours of Cancer. So look at the Cancer aspects: house, car. Before we get into that, that's private home, private feelings and emotions, internal home. You got to be good within you. And today is Monday, so today is the number 4. And the moon just went in Cancer. So you need to utilize this Cancer energy at the highest spectrum to make it work in your life. A nice house, nice car, comfort, security, protection. You know what I'm saying? This is what you want to utilize it for. You want a house. You want to be stabilized. You know what I'm saying? You want to be nurtured, cared for. You know what I'm saying? You want to basically put yourself in scenarios where you don't have to ever come out of pocket. You'll be nurtured. You have a sugar daddy, sugar mommy. You know what I'm saying? Put yourself in that situation. Put yourself in that mind state. So when 444 does come here, and when you see the number, you write it down on paper. And once you write it down on paper, you will harness these energies to the fruits of your labor. That's why it's important, especially if you're always busy and you don't be having time to look at your phone. Program your alarm clock to work in your favors. This way, these things will start to flow and play out into position. Or you could just program your phone and say, every time I look at my phone, it's going to be 444. Every time I look at my phone, it's going to be this time. You know what I'm saying? That's if you know you got a baby or a child and you don't want to wake them up. You know what I'm saying? Also look at them like they're your gifts. You know what I'm saying? Not a curse or not a blessing, which is be less. But of course, today's number is number 4. But of course, being that we in 3, or you could just utilize the 4 a.m., 4 p.m. aspect. You harness the fuck out of those hours and make sure these hours is programming and working into your best favor. That's how you utilize these times. Some people, you push their alarm clock for 4 o'clock to be giving all their energy and time to a fucking person. Sit back and watch them work. Now take this time and utilize it for your motherfucking self. And 444.